Come join me on this crazy adventure, how I find out how food really makes it onto your plate. Hi, it's David here. If you'd like to take a deeper dive into the stories and recipes you've seen on this show, check out my award-winning book, From Scratch, Adventures in Harvesting, Hunting, Fishing, and Foraging on a Fragile Planet. You can pick it up anywhere books are sold. Now, back to my adventures. We haven't been able to find any rapeseed. We were asking everybody we meet, but my producer has been working the phones and she thinks she has a lead. So I'm here to meet Patty. This is his farm. Patty Eugene.
How's it going, David?
Ah, you have what we need.
Yeah,
This is amazing. I hear that seasonality-wise, that there's no rapeseed in the fields. Is that correct?
Look, it's growing.
It's growing.
Yeah.
Can we see it?
Yes, absolutely. This is the plant. You can see the height of it. And one seed produces this plant.
And this is about how high it's going to get, or is it going to get a little higher?
Well, no, it's as high as it's going to get this year. Yeah. So these are the pods. And you can see that they're still very, very green.
Yeah.
Like peas in a pod.
That's peas in a pod, yeah.
Like you and I.
Yep. Did you just eat it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Same as eating peas, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
We rely on the bees a lot for pollination.
Okay.
And pollination just helps the plant to mature and actually produce seed. So bees are very, very important in your crop. And that's why we're very careful with what sprays or chemicals we use.
Oh my God.
I must have got an easy one.
Oh. Just a little belief in myself. I'm gonna bring this back to Chef.
Absolutely.
So you get the seeds, you bring them back.
Yeah, and we dry them.
Okay, how long does that take?
Look, there's probably 10 ton every hour.
10 tons every hour?
Yeah. And when we get it back to the farmyard, we dry it. And we let the seed from the trailer into this, and it blows it up into the tower.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
All right, so you bring it in here.
Yeah.
Yep.
As we need it, we use the blower again. And
Through this pipe right here?
And blows it across and into this hopper. That's just the pre-cleaning hopper. As it came out of the dryer, it has hulls and it has shells and it has, we'll say, bits of straw and stuff. And then this piece of equipment here.
And does that shake it all out?
That's shaking really fast.
I've seen that.
And the good clean seed falls down in there.
That's a little rapeseed. This is the shell.
So we have to go up here then to see where the clean seed goes back up and falls down into the oil press.
Let's do it.
This is actually the oil press.
Yeah.
This is the byproduct.
Oh my gosh, it turns it into like balls of...
Little pellets.
And you feed this to
that's
animals?
actually very good animal feed.
Wow. So you're squeezing out all the oil and the seeds are left.
Yeah. And the oil then comes through this little box here.
Okay.
And goes down through a pipe just underneath there.
Yeah.
We can show you down in the plant where it comes.
Is that where we first came in?
Yeah.
Okay, so hurdles. It's not the right time of year, being the number one. I'll bottle it and take it to Chef. All right, let's bottle this baby. Now, when is the cold press? That's what's going on upstairs.
Yes, it's cold, comes down cold from the press.
What does that mean? What is the cold press?
It means that there is no heat whatsoever involved or never had any chemical to extract the oil.
Okay.
If you just do that, you can get the lovely flavor of the nutty flavor of the oil.
Oh, yeah.
When you see the bottle of oil, it's...
Look at that. All right, Patrick. Nice to see you.
Just grab 2 bottles and put them in over
And does it stop on its own or no?
It has an overflow feature, so the trick is to not let any oil get out.
Right. Patty, what's the funnest part about being a rapeseed farmer, and what is the least fun part?
The funnest part is getting all the money, and the least favorite part is doing all the work.
Wow. Now, your labels.
Yep.
Well, thank you so much. It was awesome. Chef is going to be very happy.
Good.
We got the rapeseed oil.